Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can use our scraping dog eBay scraper to scrape eBay at scale. Why would you even want to scrape eBay? So maybe you are, doing some market research, or you want to check what your competitors have, listed on eBay, or you just need a quick way to collect product descriptions or and specification. So let's jump on back to our dashboard. Once you are logged in, the dashboard will look like this. And for this example, I am going to scrape this particular URL and I will copy it and paste it over here. So once I paste it over here, I will click on try it button and very quickly I will be provided with this beautiful JSON response which has a title, is it sponsored or not, the pricing, the links, etc, etc. And you can even check the browser preview of this particular URL. So this is how you can scrape eBay at scale with scraping dogs eBay scraping API. If you have like any questions regarding this particular API or any other APIs from scrapingdog.com, then you can reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.